Hello friends, today our first math is for a complex number. This is basically on complex number. For a complex number z, limit z square plus 1 by z cube plus 2z minus I, z square plus 2 is option A, minus 2i, option B minus I, option C I, option D 2i. The math come get 17 electrical examination. ठीक ठीक है तो फर्स्ट हम ले लेते हैं लिमिट लिमिट z टेंड्स टू 1 z स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाय नीचे z क्यूब प्लस 2z माइनस I z स्क्वायर प्लस 2 क्लियर if I z tends to I z tends to I clear. If we put the value of I in the place of z, then we can write here I square I if we put I in the space of z, then that means I square plus 1. I square means minus, I square means minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that means 0. And on the denominator portion I cube plus 2i minus here also I cube minus 2i, that means after cancelling that is also 0. So 0 by 0 model. This is uh, this is totally 0 by 0 model. So we have to this is invalid form, and we have to go for further process. So now we use, when we on the previous video I said that when 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, those are the invalid forms, and in this case we apply L hospital rule. And what is the rule? The rule is nothing but derivation of upper part and lower part. So derivation of upper part, that means 2z, clear. Derivation of 1 is 0, and the derivation of lower part is 3z square plus 2, 3z square plus 2, 3z square plus 2, and here is minus I 2z, clear. As derivation of 2 is 0, clear. Now we put the value of I and the I on the place of z. So this is 2i by 3i square plus 2 minus I 2i, clear. That is 2i by 3i square. I square means minus 1, that means minus 3 plus 2 minus minus plus 2i square, clear. So our next step is 2i minus 3 plus 2, that means minus 3 plus 2, that means minus 1, plus 2i square, that means minus 2, clear. 2i square, that means minus 2, clear. And so our result is here 3z square 2, exactly 2i square, that means minus 3 plus 2, and that means minus I square, here minus I square means 1, that means 2i minus 3 plus 2, and I square means here plus 2 minus 2i square. I square means minus 1, that means plus 2. So this is 2i by 4 minus 3, that means 2i by 1 equal to 2i is our answer, clear. So our answer 2i is correct answer. The next math, the value of the contour integral in the complex plane, integration z cube minus 2z plus 3 by z minus 2 dz along the contour mod z equal to 3 taken and contour clockwise is option A option B, option C, option D. This math is also came into the gate 17 electrical examination, and when we see the point here, mod z equal to 3 in this math, that means the z lies between -3 to +3. Clear? And our math is z cube minus 2z plus 3 by z minus 2 dz. Clear? So the pole is, if we consider z minus 2 equal to 0, z equal to 2. Clear? I said that I told you on the previous video that the denominator portion equating 0, we get the value of the pole. So value of the pole is z equal to 2. So if we draw the circle, here the point is -3, 2 plus 3. So the point plus 2 in between the inside the circle. So when the point inside the circle, we apply two theorem. One is Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem. And another is residue theorem. So I solved this math by Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem. So what is Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem? I state Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem one time. Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem. And the Cauchy-Riemann integral theorem statement is, if C is a closed contour or closed surface, and A is any point inside it, then by the Cauchy-Riemann integral, f of A equal to 1 by 2 pi I integration C f of z by z minus A dz. Clear? So we also write by cross multiplication 2 pi I f of A equal to integration f of z minus A dz. Clear? So in this case, our given math problem is integration C integration z cube minus 2z plus 3 by z minus 2 dz. If we compare this with Cauchy-Riemann equation, what is the portion of f of z? That means f of z is the upper portion, that means z cube minus 2z plus 3, and A means 2. Clear? So this one is the form of f of z by z minus a dz form. Clear? So we can write, next line is 2 pi I f of A. A means, as because this one gives 2 pi I f of A. A means 2. Clear? Now we know that f of z is z cube minus 2z plus 3. So f of 2 equal to just z replaced by 2 cube minus 2 into 2 plus 3. That means 8 minus 4 plus 3. That means 8 plus 3, 11 minus 4. That means 7. Clear? So 2 pi I into 7. That means 14 pi I is our required answer. Clear? So 14 pi I is our required answer. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you.